All right, so this is a quick review on how to use your calculator to do a chi-squared. The key thing in chi-squared is that we're going to start out with two lists. The first list is going to be your observed, that's in list 1. In list 2, you're going to put whatever the percentage is that they're saying there should be for the distribution. And then in list 3, you're going to take whatever your total was. So in list 1, that was a total of 60. I'm going to take my grand total of 60 and multiply it by list 2. So up at list 3, I'm going to do 60 times list 2 times list 2. Okay, so list 1 and 2 you're going to type in on its own. List 1 is your observed count. List 2 is what the distribution should look like as a percentage. List 3 is what your expected counts are. Okay, you need to keep track of which one's observed and which one's expected. So list 1 is observed, list 3 is expected. Then you're going to go back to stat, test, and you're going to look for the one that says chi-squared GOF. This is D as your option. And you're going to make sure observed is in list 1, expected is in list 3, and you're going to have to count degree of freedom on your own. It's the number of categories minus 1. So in our case, we had 6 different colors. 6 minus 1 is 5. And then we're going to press calculate. It'll give you the chi-squared amount. It'll give you the p-value. It'll give you back your degree of freedom. And then this contribution is how much in the same order as list 1, how much contributed to your chi-squared amount of 10. So the first number contributed 2, the second 1.3, the third 1.6, the next one 5.18, and 0.62, and 0.415. Now that's really annoying to read, so you could either just hit the arrow keys and it works and it scrolls, or we could go back to our list and create a new list on list 4. And in list 4, what I'll do is it's already saved under something called contribution, and to get there you're going to press second stat to get to list, and there it is at the bottom, number 7, and you can just type it in, hit enter, and they're now all lined up for you. So the first item, list 1 is your observed, list 3 is your expected, and this is how much it contributed to the chi-squared score. I hope that helps.